Alright. Let's play some My Singing Monsters. So, I finished the tutorial. I played this game I played a lot on my phone. I have like a really good island on my phone, but yeah, I guess we'll just play My Singing Monsters. What goals do I have? I have to remove a small tree. Okay, we removed a small tree. Buy a firebush and place it next to the noggin. A firebush, you say? Coming right up. Firebush? I can do that. Happiness. And a tree. I'm so good at this game. Level 6. Remove 2 small trees. Okay, you want 2 small trees? I can give you 2 small trees. Small tree, bye-bye. Is that a small tree I see? Not anymore. What about the castle? Okay, I'm too broke for that.
Boom, 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 boom.
Alright, 2 small trees. Collect. And we're making progress. Build a second small bakery. I can do just that. Just for you. Structures. Small bakery. Perfect. Give me that XP. Level 7. What? Collect. What do we make first? A Fwog, a Drumpler, a Maw, or a T-Rock. We can't do the T-Rocks yet. How about let's go with the classic Fwog. Let's breed Bitch and Glob. What? Huh? 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 Whoa! Insane! What do we name you? Amphibian. I think we can think of something better than that. We're gonna name you Shart. Welcome to the island, Shart. Ooh, we got the cold island. Oh, well, we don't have it yet, but we can buy it. What do we breed next? I say a Drumpler. I'm gonna buy the cold island. I'm gonna make investments. I have a bird.
Is it cold outside?
What we do have now, though, is a consistent way to make gems if I wasn't so broke. Let's upgrade the castle. Is it a top-ranked island in the Friends menu? Let's do that. What is this? What is this? We got a castle upgrade. Woo. You are one puffy boy. Let's get a potbelly. That takes an hour, 2 hours. What else can we do? Play the memory game. Okay, I can play the memory game. All right, are you guys ready for this insane gameplay? Insane. Booga. We're going crazy. 10? Oh, cause yeah, it's the 10th anniversary. Money, money. Furcorn, frog. Furcorn, furcorn. Fwog, fwog. I'm just that good. Furcorn, furcorn. Drumpler, drumpler. We're going crazy. I might actually have to start focusing when we get to like level 9. Booga. You were there. We win these! Yup, I knew it. That's you. Okay. Dang it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna lose this game just to have commentary. Ooh, booga booga.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
You're there. Shoo doo. Haven't found you yet. Oh, I found you. I just don't remember where you are. Okay, okay. Nice, okay. Now you're here. You're here. Oh my god, I just got jump scared! You You are, no, you're here. No, you're not. You're here. You're here. No, you're here. No, that's Booga. Oh, Do is here. Booga. Oh! They jump scared! Oh, instant match, thanks. Okay, you are a match. Oh? Oh, I saw you before. I forget where you are, though. No. Oh, shoot. I forget what's in the top row. Oh my god, I'm so good! Oh, you are here. I'm so good! Oh no, you were here. Yup. Here. Yeah. Yeah! Right there, because I'm just that good! Wait, you're there. You're there. Oh my god! I'm so good! Okay, Furcorn. Furcorn already out of the way. Damn it. Okay. Okay. Oh, where are you? Right there. Okay. You're there. Oh, where were you? Where were you? No. Okay. Okay, okay, I'm that good. Oh, no, you're here. Booga! Booga! Oh!
Yeah.
Barcelona! Oh, I've clicked on you like 3 times. I should know where you are. Oh my god! Okay, wait, where's the guy? Oh, Flog's there. You're there. You're there. Okay. You're there. Oh my god, I remembered it. I'm so good. There's a dip there. Bogart's there. I am so good at this game! Do I want to replay for 2 diamonds? Sure. We'll replay for 2 diamonds. We'll just sweep it again. I'm so good. I'm so good. Furcorn. Furcorn. Oh my god, how am I gonna edit all of this? I'm so good! You're there. Oh, Barcelona! You were there. No, you were there. There. And then there. Oh, you're there. You actually look sick as hell. What? Furcorn. Ooga Man. Little drummer boy. Little drummer boy.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm screwing myself over. Oh. Okay. Okay. Alright, we win these. Barcelona. Oh my god, I'm forgetting already. Oh, you were up there, but I forget where. Shit, I'm actually gonna lose. Okay, Duo is here. Okay, I gotta focus up.
Plants. Plants. Yeah. Booga.
Oh, shoot. Okay.
Yeah. Booga. Yeah.
Oh, God. Okay.
Yeah. No.
Shoot.
Wait.
Oh, God.
Wait.
Oh my god, I'm so good! My singing monsters is about to give me an aneurysm. Alright! Let's go. Okay. No, I'm not doing it again. My head hurts so bad after that level 8. Okay, I don't care. I don't care. I don't care! Alright. No, I don't want to go to the Coliseum, actually. I do not. I want to do anything but. Oh my god, I hate you! Alright. Are you ready to get absolutely clapped? That's right. Get clapped! Oh, I'm gonna lose to this. He's level 7. What do you think? My horse hollerer can't do that much. Train up. Feats. I love feats. Lawsuit. I'm just that good. Buy a traveler's sign. Okay, and get 3 more decorations. We're questing out here. Travel. Oh no, I didn't mean to buy that. Buy a flappy flag. Okay, I can get you a flappy flag. Do you want a flappy flag? I got you. Flappy flag. No problemo. Spin? Let's spin. I got 8,000 treats. I love gambling so much. What else can we do? Upgrade a bakery. Buy a wild bagpipe. Alright. Perfect! We're making progress. Play the Monster Scratch game in the nursery. Alright. Scratch. Give me something good. Well, that's no fun. Neva, that's not an interesting name. You know what is an interesting name? Titty. Mute a monster. Use the flip button while moving a monster. Alright. Be quiet. Turn around. A maw and a T-Rox. A Potbelly. Can I buy that? Oh, but it's gonna take 2 hours. Okay, this one I'll speed up. Hey, here's my friend code. Add me on my singing monster. I have keys. I can buy the little dip. I can buy the little dip guys. He's just a little guy. I thought they cost 2 on. Oh no, they cost 2 on the Cold Island. Okay. All right. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I am rich! Plant, rock. Oh wait, I have to name my Potbelly. What should we name you? Okay, you're my favorite, so. And you are Sheldon from Splatoon. Perfect. I need to name my Cold Island ones. You are literally just a bird. I will name you Corvid. Finally! Oh my god, what does my life come to? I'm sitting in my room playing My Singing Monsters. Oh my god, can you shut up? You don't need a solo for that long!
Please subscribe. Please subscribe.